Alright guys, I welcome you all to today's tutorial. My name is Joshua, the CEO of Joa Supreme Creations, and I'll be showing you guys how to create a 3D explainer video. So now go to renderforest.com and enter get started video. How you want it to come in? Is it something like this or like this or like this?
So just choose. So I'm going for this number 3. So now the next one is font. You can choose to change your font, but if you don't want to, then you can come to this top blue bar and go to next. So you see color there. So you can choose any color of your choice. Then the next one, music. So if you want to add music to your explainer video, you can just add with this plus sign. Once you play it, you can add. So now the next one is play. So that's free preview. Just press free preview. So guys, I advise you to create accounts, as in to register with this renderforest.com, so that you get because there are sometimes that they won't allow you to open some things unless you're a member. So now let's wait for our video. It's in queue. It's preparing it for the media now. So once it's done, we'll be able to view what we've done so far. So we have to wait. Alright, so we're moving on. It's almost done. So guys, make sure you have your storyline prepared, so you know the kind of scenes to add, or the kind of presets to load. So not that you just come to renderforest.com, then you start parabolating around, you don't know what to do. Already have your storyline prepared. Okay, so now we can preview our video. So what you do now is just play. Alright, so that is it, guys. That's how to create your 3D explainer video. So what we're going to do right now is just to save our video, and just how to do that is just tap on this arrow pointing downward and press download. So right now we have our video on our device. So that is how to do it, guys. Thanks for watching.